Hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me?
Yes, we are.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yes, audible.
Anybody? Maybe this one is a last or 1 or 2 demo classes. Okay, observe it here. In a previous class, what I'm telling, Oracle is a database software. This 19C is a version number. What is the purpose of these database softwares? Means to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. If you want to operate this Oracle database, then we are using SQL, PL SQL, dynamic SQL languages. Up to this one, we are discussing in a previous class. Anybody newcomer means don't afraid, only small thing I'm telling in a previous classes. Now observe it here. Concentrate in new concept today, demo class side only. And now check it out. What is this database really? Slowly observe it here. The definition is totally different actually. Whenever I am also, you are also installing a what? Oracle software, for example, Oracle side I am telling. Then automatically one place is reserved in a disk, in a hard disk. This place is also called as database. That's why what is the definition ANSI, ISO, SQL, otherwise Oracle Corporation giving me? So database means it is a place. Don't write it. It is a place. It is a place means this one. It is a place where we can store structured collection of data. Where we can store structured collection of data. Structured collection of data. Why they are giving this definition? Today you are understandable. Already I'm telling in a Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, these type of databases are relational databases. Once database is a place is there also, in that place only we can store structured collection of data. Organized fashion only data is storing. That is nothing but a table formats or not? Yes, here. That's why database is a place where we can store structured collection of data. Okay, fine. Definition, okay. But unfortunately, in every database in the worldwide, observe it here, in a relational databases also, 2 types of structures are there. That is nobody knows. That is a problem. Observe it here. Database means it is a place where we can store structured collection of data. But every database having 2 types of structures. 2 types of structures are there. Anybody have an idea? Every database having a what? This database Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, in a relational database also having a what? 2 types of structures. One is, anybody have an idea? One is a logical structure. One is a logical structure. Another one is physical structure. Very, very important. This definition is most powerful. Physical structure. Every database having a what? 2 types of structures. One is logical structure. Another one is what? A physical structure. Anybody guess it? Maybe academic career side, anybody having idea means what is logical structure? What is physical structure? Tell me at least. First time newcomer. Maybe any technical persons are there in our class. Those persons are telling only. Difference between logical structure or physical structure. Otherwise, you are a first time newcomer, Java, .NET, Python, these type of technical concepts, you have an idea. At least you are working in a which structure? Physical structure or logical structure? Physical structure of the database you are working or logical structure of the database you are working? Yes, very good. One fellow is telling, Murali sir, here I'm a Java programmer, I'm working in a very logical structure, they are telling. Yes, 100% correct. You are also Java, .NET, Python, okay, data science, any programmer also working in a very logical structure. I am also PL SQL developer also working in a very logical structure. Database administrator only working in a very physical structure. Okay, fine, I'm agree. But what is that logical structure? That is a question mark. What is that logical structure? Why I'm telling you what this logical physical means, this definition is very important. That definition more clearly understandable. That's why. And now here, observe here. Very good. One fellow is telling you what a logical structure means. Logical structure, physical structure means physical structure. They are telling. Don't tell like that only. And now here, something is there. Very easy. Dead easy concept. Suppose screen observe it. What is logical and physical means within fraction of second, you are only understandable. Suppose this is a Oracle software I'm installing in my system. In a future, you are also installing in your system only Oracle software. This is a Oracle database, for example. Okay, fine. Here, a table format only data is there. Don't worry. Here, table format only data is available. Now here, check it out. This is a structured collection of data. No, a table format only data is there like that. In a previous classes, I'm showing. Now here today I'm creating a table, same like at this table only. I'm creating a table in my project. Slowly observe here. I try to create a table. Slowly observe here. Very easily understandable. Create a table. In a future, you are creating technically. Just first observe it only. What happened? I'm creating a what table? Something. Test is a table. Don't worry what is this table creation or anything. Some data storing purpose here, table format only data is there. Test is a table. I am creating only. Okay, fine. Now here table is created is a message given by the where server. Okay, fine. Maybe table is created. What is that way? What is my table name? Test is a table. Okay, fine. Now observe here. Now observe here. Very interesting. And now here I try to view this table is available in a very hard disk or not. I'm checking. Suppose this operating system is there. In this operating system, just here C drive, D drive, A, where my Oracle is there. In that case, I'm checking. Okay, table is created. And now here in a C drive, maybe Oracle is there. My Oracle is available in my system, C drive. Here, okay, fine, Oracle folder is there like this only. Don't worry, these are all the things. See, this is a Oracle folder, for example. Here I'm opening a what? This Oracle folder. Now here, anybody tell me frankly, now here, yes, here, this table, test table is visible. Visible in operating system or not visible? Only one thing is correct. Where is test table? No. Yes, here, that's why test is a table is not visible. Observe here. Yes, I am creating a test table, but that test table not visible in operating system, in OS. A structure which is not visible in operating system is also called as which one? Logical structure. That is important. Logical structure. That's why table is a logical structure. Procedure is a logical structure. Function is a logical structure. Package is a logical structure. Trigger is a logical structure. Synonym is a logical structure. That's why suppose in your Oracle projects or SQL Server projects or DB2 projects or Sybase projects, in a project side also you are working means you are creating a tables, views, sequences, synonyms, packages, triggers, anything you are creating also that is not visible in a where in a C drive, D drive within that operating system, it is not visible. But in a database level, it is visible. This type of structure is called a logical structure. This structure only all developers are working in a company side. That's why always what is a logical structure? Nothing is there. A structure which is not visible. Logical storage structure also there. Table spaces, segments, extents. Okay, those things leave that one. First observe here, small things only. And now here, check it out. Concentrate here. What is logical? What is physical structure means? A logical structure means in every database, a structure, slowly observe here, a structure which is not visible in operating system is called logical structure. A table is not visible important, not visible in a where operating system. Operating system is C drive, D drive, anywhere. Table is not visible in a C drive. View is not visible in a C drive, but it is visible in a where? In a database level. That is important. Okay, na? Yeah, okay, fine. What is physical structure? Physical structure means nothing is there opposite of this one. No, a structure which is not visible in operating system, that is called logical, they are telling, but which is a structure which is visible in operating system, that is called physical structure. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software in a D drive, C drive, anywhere also in operating system, automatically some files or physical files are created. Suppose here .dbf files are there, .ctl files are there, .log files are there. Don't worry, these all the things are stored in a visible in an operating system. Suppose you are loading a any software also, either Java, either .NET, either Python, either occasion of here MS Word, either occasion of PowerPoint, anything we are loading also, automatically some physical files also created in a disk only. Those type of structures are called physical structures. Same like a Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, these all databases also, we are installing those softwares also, automatically some physical files are created in a hard disk or C drive, D drive. That is called physical structure. Suppose really correct. Now check it out. I'm installing a Oracle software in my system. I'm opening this one. Okay, fine. Don't worry. Now here, check it out. Now here, check it out. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, in a future, you are also installing. Now here C drive. Now here, yes, here Oracle is there, Oracle folder. Here only, here some files are created. You are observing or not? .dbf file, .ctl file, .log file only. Now something is created. Physical files are created. That's why this is called what? Physical structure. This is called physical structure. A structure which is visible in operating system, that is called what? A physical structure. But this structure, which persons are working? I am a PLSQL developer. I am working in this structure. Impossible. You are a Java developer, you are working in a where this structure possible? No, not possible, impossible. But this structure also important. This structure is working in a where which persons means, yes, here anybody working in a company side, Oracle DBA, SQL Server DBA, DB2 DBA, Teradata DBA, those are database administrators in a company. DBA course is there, DBA. Database administrators, those persons only working, DBA persons only working in the physical structure. A structure which is visible in operating system, that is called what? Physical structure. A structure which is not visible in operating system, but it is visible in a database level, that is called what? Logical structure. Logical structure, logical structure of the database working by the some developers, either Java, either .NET, either Python, either Oracle or SQL Server. These basic developers are working. Again, physical structure is handled by special type of persons, that is called database administrator, DBA persons. In a company side, recruiting a Oracle DBA, SQL Server DBA, those persons only working in a this structure, physical structure. So much of knowledge is required, architecture knowledge is required. And now here, check it out. Both the things are important. Now check it out. Observe here. That's why, yes, here, now here, logical structure, physical structure understood. Yes, physical structure is handled by database administrator only. But why I am telling suddenly you are a first time newcomer also, logical structure or physical structure means reason is there. Suppose I am attending, I am a database administrator, for example. Observe here. I am a database administrator. DBA course I am learning, for example, not a developer. DBA course I am learning anywhere. Okay, fine. Now I am applying a what? Yes, here database administrator. Okay, so no, it's a job only, for example. I am attending an interview. Whenever I am attending an interview, my interviewer asking, Murali, what is okay database? They're asking. Whenever they're asking that one, what is database? They're asking me. So I'm telling you what it is a place where we can store structured collection of data. I am telling me immediately rejected. My job is gone. Why? Because yes, here database administrator point of view, logical structure side, very simple only. Logical structure side, don't try to tell to interviewer only in front of the interviewer. Always I am a good administrator means I am telling you what, yes, always database, Oracle database is nothing but a what? Collection of physical files, .dbf, .ctl, .log files. I am telling means yes, those persons are good professionals. Now it is a collection of files, physical files in a disk only. Those files, they are very good knowledge. That's why they are asking. That's why always, whenever any books we are referring only, what is a database means only logical structure side they are writing authors. Why? Because a structure, okay, so now here, yes, here, observe here, a database, it is a place where we can store structured collection of data means this is a physical level or logical level they are explaining. Very good, logical level. Suppose you are observed here. Yes, this is a database is there. And now here, check it out. This is a database is there. Okay, logical level only they are telling. And now here, yes, the definition how they are telling. Suppose here, this is a table is there, for example. Okay, fine. And now here, yes, here, what is a database they are telling? It is a place. Oh, this is a place only where we can store structured collection of data. Observe here, this is a structured, no, organized fashion. Rows are there here. These are rows. And also these are columns are available. Is nothing but a structured collection of data they are telling or not. That's why always you are telling you are a good professional in a where a database administrator means don't try to tell like this. A physical level you are telling, but you are a normal developer means yes, what is a database? Anybody asking means it is a place where we can store structured collection of data means relational database means like this only you are telling. Okay, yes, here. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Understood that one? Yes, a database, it is a place. What is a database? Either Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, anything also. Logical side, you are telling it is a place where we can store structured collection of data. This is a logical level I'm telling only. Okay, na? Yes, here. Because logical level means every developers are understandable. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Very, very important. Next, observe it here. Actually, nowadays, so many databases are there. MongoDB is there. That is not a relational database. SQL Server, Oracle, DB2, Sybase, Informix, these are relational databases. What is these relational databases or relational data model? Confusing only. Now check it out. Concentrate here. A terminology most powerful in a database learning only. Before we are learning a database, just terminology observe it here. Slowly concentrate, very important. Actually, data model is a concept is there in a every database software side. Don't write it, just observe it here. What is a data model means simple. How, now don't read, just how data is represented. Data is represented at a logical structure of the database, not a physical structure, at a logical structure of the database. Logical structure of the database defined by the means of the where data model. What is this one means? Suppose here in a olden days, in a 1970 before, data is represented in the format of records and also, yes, here hierarchical manner. Again, in a network manner only. That is a different 1960 to 1970. But nowadays, data is represented at a logical structure in a where you are observing or not table format. You are observing or not this table format. This is relational data model because EF card only introducing a what? This data model in a 1970 only. He is a mathematician. That's why matrix format only representation, logical level. That's why nowadays everyone also easily understandable, easily interacting only. But old and is very difficult in a 1970 before. This type of representation is not there in a data. So now here, that's why always what is data model is a terminology means data model is a terminology. Data model means how data model specifies how data is represented at a logical structure of the database. But unfortunately, in a relational data model, because Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, these all products are implemented based on relational data model is a concept. Now here observed here, in a relational data model means in a 1970 only EF Cod, he's a mathematician. He's working in an IBM company, he's a scientist only. He is only introducing a what? A relational data model is a concept. In relational data model, data is represented in the format of tables, logically in the format of tables only. This was relational data model products are Oracle or SQL Server or DB2 or Sybase or Informix, yes, Postgres, Ingress, all the things. Okay, fine. Observe it here. In a 1970 only EF Cod introduced a relational data model. In relational data model, data is represented in the format of tables. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Why? Why these type of relational data model products are so easy, dead easy? Suppose you are a first time newcomer. You don't know any software knowledge. You are entering into the interested into the software technology, software side only. But you are maybe in a relatives are there well settled in a software. They are suggesting only. Yes, you don't know any software knowledge also. First of all, okay, so you want to interested to learn very easy way means better to go for any Oracle course, otherwise SQL Server course or MySQL course. Yes, better to join only. They are telling. Why they are suggesting like that? Reason is there. In all, compared to all software courses, relational data model products are dead easy. Anybody without any knowledge also, they are understandable. That much of easy. This Oracle you are learning, or SQL Server you are learning, okay, Sybase you are learning, DB2 you are learning, any of these type of softwares you are learning also dead easy. Suppose, for example, I am a so now basically I'm joining in a company side. I'm a Visual C++ programmers. Actually, basically, whenever they are recruiting what 20 years back like that only. And now here, yes, I'm a basically those programmer only. But unfortunately, suddenly now here I'm also facing a problem in a coding side. Very difficult coding actually. Some fellows are we easily okay. So now here, yes, writing a what, so now there are some small queries like this database, my colleagues only, and they are earning more than me only. I am struggling, I am coding only. Then immediately after 2 years, 2.5 years, I am working means then I am also decided, oh, maybe this much of easy subject is there. Maybe so now here, so Oracle, MySQL, those subjects are there. Okay, so now in a company side, in that suddenly I am shifted into my career into a database side. Now I am feel happy. Why? Because there is no difficulty. Anybody also understandable this one. And now here, that's why always how without any coding is not there. A logical, simple, how we retrieve the data, how we are modifying, these all the things are available. That's why always observed here, why these Oracle or SQL Server or DB2 or Sybase, why these relational data model products are very easy means reason is there. Every relational data model products are mainly consist of only 3 components are there. Finished. Nothing is there. Every relational data model products mainly consist of mainly consist of only 3 components. Three components only 3 components. What is those components means you have an idea, then you are also understandable. Oh, maybe this much of easy. Suppose here, now here, every relational data model products mainly consist of what? 3 components only. Observe here. Every relational data model mainly consists of 3 components. That relational data model mainly only 3 components are available. Either Oracle you are learning or SQL Server you are learning, DB2 you are learning. In a relational data model products also mainly 3 components. What is those components means? First observe it here. Why easy means I will tell you. First observe it here. Collection of, don't write it anything. Collection of, just a demo, just observe it here. Collection of database objects. Or maybe in a way Oracle or SQL Server DB2, these database software side, collection of database objects are available. That's all. What is this one? Suppose you are a Java programmer, you are a .NET programmer, you are a C++ programmer, object-oriented features you are familiar. What is object? What is a class? What is inheritance? What is encapsulation? What is polymorphism? Like that only some common concepts are there. Same like here, relational data model products we are learning means always these relational data model products are having a what? Collection of database objects are available. Suppose here, for example, I'm taking so many examples only. Observe here, Oracle, in a future you are learning. Oracle is one of the relational data model product from Oracle Corporation. SQL Server is a what? Microsoft product from the Microsoft company product only. That is also relational data model product. MySQL is a open source. Nowadays, Oracle is purchasing. And now here, Teradata is a what? A DB2. So now like this, so many softwares are there. These are all the things relational data model products. But in these all the products, always here, collection of database objects are available. Observe here. Here, for example, table, maybe roughly you have an idea. Table is an object. Here also SQL Server also table is there. MySQL also table is there. Teradata also table is there. Here view is a database object is there. Here also view is there. Here also view is there. What is view means? What is the purpose means? We are learning in our course side. Don't worry. Here synonym is there. Here also synonym is there. Same. So now what is that one? What is the purpose? Your idea means that easy. Synonym. Here also synonym is there. Here, yes, here index is there. Here also index is there. And now here also index is there. All the relational data model products, same, similar, okay, database object. These are objects only. What is the purpose? How we are creating? How can I handle? What is the use of this one? You have an idea, means easily understandable. Procedure is a database object is there. Here also procedure 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 is there, like this. That's why always so many packages like this only collection of database objects. These are collection of database objects are available in every relational data model products. Not only that one, now observe here. Actually, second component is what? Yes, here, set of operators are there, same like a C, C++, Java, these type of languages side. So now here, yes, you have an idea is equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to operators are there. No, same like here also, some special operators are there, not only relational, not only logical, not only arithmetic operators, but also in every relational database, some special operators are there. Exists as operator. In every database also same thing, exists is operator. Here also exists is operator. Again, in is operator. Again, between is operator. Again, here union is operator. Again, all is operator. Again, NA is operator. Again, sum is operator. Like this only so many special operators. Like is an operator. Okay, okay, so seasonal is an operator. Like this, so many operators are there. Through this operator, union, all, minus, so many things are there. Through this operator, we are operating a data. Very easy. That's why one language side, what is those operators where they are using in a where project side, you have an idea, means you never mistaken anywhere. But unfortunately, up to now, okay, collection of database objects are there, set of operators are there, but not only these two, third one is difficult, really. This much of easy, okay, but unfortunately something is there. What is that one means? Relational data model products, either Oracle, either SQL Server, either DB2, either Sybase, either Informatics, always works based on the where set of integrity rules. That is important. Otherwise, set of rules only. For example, what is integrity? You don't have an idea. Also, set of integrity rules. This is key concept. All are good at what? Database objects and operators only. In a YouTube, you are observing articles, you are reading also, you are understandable. But where the failure in a project, where the failure in a where interview side means they doesn't have an idea rules. Others also unable to write a what rules only first onwards. Why? Because there is experience. 20 rules, 30 rules are there one by one. You are by hearting means not possible. This is what a subject wise vocation of career we are learning only. That is important. That's why this is a key concept actually. Always, yes, integrity, rules based only working. Always, all relational databases also rules based only working. These rules, you have an idea, you never failure in a projects. These rules, you have an idea, you are successful person in a where interview side also, and a relational database products also 100% successful. There is no question. And now here, that's why always these rules, really relational data model products works based on set of rules. Yes, 100%. So many important rules also there, unimportant rules also there. Just observe it here. Really, okay, so relational data model products are works based on set of rules or not. One or two rules, just I am telling only, then important rules next time telling. Now check it out, concentrate here. Suppose, for example, table, you have an idea. Okay, fine. Now, reasons also I will tell you. First, observe it here. Really, relational data model products are works based on set of rules or not. Check it out. First, observe it here. Very interesting. Suppose one company is there. Small example, real-time scenario side I am telling. ABC is a company is there. Simple. In this ABC is a company, two departments are there. For example, so many departments, but two departments are there. I'm designing like this. Suppose IT department. Okay, you are also joining in a where IT department, information technology, not income tax only. Now here IT department is there. And also here HR department is there. For example, ABC company having a two departments, IT and HR department. In IT department, some employees are working. Okay, fine. Maybe 3 employees are working. For example, presently. Okay, fine. Again, HR department side, 1 employee is working. My name only, Murali only working. For example, okay, fine. This is the smallest scenario. One company is there, 2 departments are there in the IT and HR department. In that IT department, 3 employees are working. HR department, 1 employee is working, for example. This is a small scenario, outside scenario only. Now, one Oracle programmer or a DB2 programmer or any relational data model programmer, they are representing this scenario in a way table format. Okay, fine. For example, senior most programmer. Now, how they are representing that one, what happened, does it correct or not, you are telling me is great. Suppose you are one of the Oracle senior most programmer writing a what like this, for example. Okay, fine. They are creating a what table like this. Interesting. Observe it here. This is working or not working. You are telling also great, really. Suppose here, that scenario, one Oracle senior most programmer, for example, okay, so now they are representing like this EMP table or table only. In this table only, these are columns. Okay, in a future, you are also familiar. Department name is there and employee names are available. For example, these are column names. Okay, fine. Because table formats only scenarios easily understandable. Here table name and okay, table name EMP, D name and E name is called column names or attributes. In this D name, which data is there? IT is a what? A department, for example. Okay, fine. IT department. Okay, fine. IT department is there. Blue lines is a data, for example. D name and E name is a columns, for example. Now in this IT department, how many employees are working? 3 employees, for example. One employee name I am writing. For example, Smith is an employee, comma I am using. Again, Alan is an employee, comma, Ward is an employee. Any names, for example. These are the 3 employees are working in a where in this IT department. Okay, fine. Now again, HR department is there. Slowly observe here, HR department is there. In this HR department only, and now here I am working Murali. My name Murali only. I am working. Okay, fine. For example, now one of the one of the senior most Oracle developer, one scenario is there. That scenario they are representing in the format of tables and okay, something columns and data only. For example. Now, anybody guess it in our class only? Maybe this table is practically working or not working. Anybody? Table okay, columns okay, rows okay, something is there. Now, maybe this table is working or not working. Very good. So many fellows are telling what working they are telling, but unfortunately not working. Wrong one. What is this one? Columns are there, data is there correctly, but why it is not working means reason is there. I will tell you. Actually, this is a relational data model products based means compulsory we must follow some set of rules. What the first rule means? Observe here, screen observe here. They are not following the rule maybe. That's why this is a failure. Reason also I will tell you. Which rule means? Yes, screen observe it slowly observe here. Every cell, this is a cell. Blue line is there. This is a cell. This is a cell. Every cell having a what? Atomic value or single value. Here first time newcomer. This IT is a single value. Okay, there is no problem. HR is a single value. There is no problem. Again, Murali is a single value. There is no problem. Every cell having a single value is there. But here you are observing or not, Smith, Allen, what means here in a single cell, how many values are there? 3 values are there, comma separated values are there. That's why every cell having a what? Single value. Data in each column should be atomic. Atomic means single value. If you try to represent a what multiple values separated with comma, it won't work. Here Smith, Allen, Ward like this only, multiple values separated with comma, it won't work. Okay, fine. Really, why this cell only contains a what single value, but so now here multiple values separated with comma, here cell, the single cell does not contain a what multiple values. There is a rule only. Yes, really, why they are giving a what EF code D giving a what this rule means reason is there. I will tell you. Reason is most powerful. Now here, check it out. Come observe it here. Actually, you are observing or not, in your table, a single every cell having a what? A single value is there or not? Check it out. In a table, relational database table, you are observing or not here, every cell having a single value. Data in each column should be atomic. Single value is there. You are observing or not? Following the rules based only. Observe it here. Why multiple values are not there means I will tell you. And now here, check it out. Reasons are important. Observe here. This table is there. In this big table also, every cell having a single value is there. You are observing or not? Multiple values anywhere also not available. And now here data in each column should be atomic or single value. Very good. Some fellows are telling. But unfortunately, screen observe it. Screen observe it here. What is the reason behind that one only? Now here, yes, here, why this table is multiple values separated with comma in a single cell, why it is not working? Means table is not a problem. Really, this table we are creating is working, but what is the problem? Why they are not recommendable? Means actually these are relational database model products are son of your yes. So operating means which language they are using? Anybody have an idea? Yes, very good. In a previous classes, demo classes side, I am telling only if you want to operate a what relational data model products, which language is there? SQL is a language. This language is a problem. This language does not support. This language also introduced by F card only. Don't worry. Now here SQL is a language is there which is used to operate a what this one. Here SQL language is a problem. Now check it out. Suppose here in SQL language, yes, some commands are there. Update is a command, delete is a command, select is a command is there. Suppose here update statement is there in a SQL language. Through this statement, multiple values separated with the comma is there also. I try to update a what only single value. Suppose Smith is an employee. Yes, here I try to modify. Impossible. Whenever multiple values separated with comma is there in a single value, through the update statement, I try to change a what single value. Yes, from these multiple values, impossible. Single value cannot update. Suppose here, now I try to delete. Delete means remove only. Delete statement. Okay, I try to delete a what? A single value. Suppose here I try to delete a what? Word only employee name from these multiple values means impossible. Multiple values separated with comma storing also single value we try to delete, impossible. Not working. In a statement also not working. Suppose here select only there. Yes, here I want to select a what? Yes, Alan employee name from these multiple values means impossible. That's why SQL language is a problem. Creation table is not a problem, but unfortunately rules based only they are giving only blindly. So many fellows are the multiple values separated with comma is not there. They are telling really wrong one. Actually table is creating means working, but SQL language is a problem. Through that language commands we are unable to operate. That data multiple values separated with comma is there. In that multiple values single value we cannot modify, cannot delete, cannot select only. That's why always relational data model products are works based on set of rules or not. Yes, here so many rules are there. Just observe it here. First time newcomer purpose. Very important rules are there later. Just observation purpose. Suppose, for example, really rules based, you are not following the rules means what the problem is. Observe here. Concentrate, small thing. This is a one employee is there. Imagination, just very interesting. This one you are telling also great. One employee is there. Users actually, one employee is there. Scott is an employee, for example. What is Scott means? You don't have an idea. Later you are familiar. Scott is an employee is there in a company side. This employee having a what? Oracle Corporation giving employee having a what? Yes, one table is there, for example. Okay, EMP is a table is there, for example. Now check it out. This is another rule. Observe here. This is a EMP is a table is there. Okay, fine. Now another employee also working in a company, for example. Just observe here. Another employee also working in a company. In a number of employees. Okay, fine. Suppose here Murali is a what? Another employee. Okay, fine. Working in a company. Now here another employee is there, for example. Here Murali is another employee is there. Just imagination. Okay, fine. Murali is another employee. My name. Some users were creating. Okay, employee, for example. First time. Now anybody guess it only. And now here this is a what? A Scott employee or some table, something information is there. This is a Murali employee. Okay, fine. Now anybody guess it only. Anybody guess it here. Murali employee. Murali is a what? Employee is there. This Murali employee try to access a what? Scott employee EMP table. Possible or not possible? Maybe guess it. Suppose here this is a screen. Observe it here. This is a show user something. I am typing only Murali. Now some commands are there. Don't worry. There is SQL commands only. And now here yes. Now, Murali employee try to access a what? Yes, Scott employee EMP table. Possible or not possible? Maybe roughly. Guess it. Maybe possible or not possible. Logically. Very good. I am also here. Also, first time newcomer. We are thinking, oh, not possible. We are thinking, but unfortunately, not possible. One user objects we cannot access by the way another users objects only. Okay, another user basically Now here, check it out. That's why impossible. Here EMP table. Here is a Scott schema table. That's what Scott user. Okay, table only. That's why impossible. Here it will give us a what error. Table or view does not exist. Observe here. Unable to access. Now, okay, one chance is there. What is that one means? This Murali user, Murali employee requesting. Maybe he is requesting only. Please give me your table for accessing some data. Something only they are requesting. Whenever they are requesting means, yes, this this Scott employee giving a what permission to where Murali employee, for example, how they are giving a permission means SQL language side, so many commands are there. Same like a create table is there. No, here grant is a command is there, for example. In every relational database also, one user into another user giving a permission means grant is a command is there. For example, now here, check it out, screen observed here, this person giving a what? A grant. Now here, check it out, grant is a command, grant, yes, here, all on EMP2, yes, Murali. For example, okay, fine. These commands you don't have an idea, also check it out here. This is a what here, okay, so now Scott employee giving a what? EMP table permission to where Murali employee, for example. Grant is succeeded or not? Yes. Whenever grant is succeeded, now here, now anybody guess it only. Now this Murali employee using a what? Yes, here, this Scott user table possible or not possible? Now possible or not possible? Very good. Yes, here, observe here, practical observe here, select the star, something is there from EMP. Yes, here, so many fellows are telling a what? Yes, Murali sir, now it is possible. Why? Because, yes, this grant is succeeded only. They are telling impossible. It won't work. What is this one? That's why that is the beauty of the where, yes, relational data model products. If they are giving a permission also, it won't work. Why? But permission granted, okay, that is successful, okay, it is not accessible means what is the reason behind that one means? Yes, grant is succeeded, I am agree, but unfortunately select star from EMP that Murali employee using that one means it won't work. Why? Because that person not following the rules. There is a problem. Grant is succeeded, but it won't work. Why? Because observe here, I will tell you, yes, here EMP, yes, again it will give say error, table or view does not exist. Why means observe here, any one employee to another employee, one user to another user giving a permission means this user, which user giving a permission? That username dot object name we are using only. That is a relational database rule. Yes, Scott employee giving a permission. That's why Scott employee name Scott dot here EMP. There is a rule. That's why relational data model products are works based on set of rules. Now here, check it out. Here they are giving a permission also. Here update Scott.emp. Yes, delete from Scott.emp. Select star from Scott.emp. Like this only something is there. Now really that is correct. Now I try to use like this only. Here Scott dot here emp like this. And now here check it out. Now here I am writing a what here like this only Scott.emp. Now username dot object name. Now it is working or not? Yes, work. How much powerful? That's why now here observed here, yes, here we are using a what here, this is a Murali user only. And now here check it out, slowly observed here, later you are familiar this one, here show user Murali employee. Now here they are writing a what, select star from here username dot object name, here Scott.emp working or not? Yes, here username dot object name. That is a rule. If you are giving a what statement also, you are not following the rules means it won't work. That's why always why relational data model products are very easy. Anybody asking means always relational data model products so easy. Why? Because only 3 components are available. Now one is what? Here collection of DB objects or database objects and also set of operators. And not only that one, the relational data model products works based on set of rules only. The rules are master, main transaction, child transaction, master table, child table. So many things are there. Don't worry. You're fine. Those rules you are good means then automatically you are also handling that one. Okay. Yes, you are. That is enough only up to this one small thing enough. Why? Because first time newcomers, some fellows are attending means more things we are telling means not receiving only. Okay, non-technical persons are there. Yeah, up to this one is enough. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow maybe I'm starting a regular sessions first onwards. Otherwise, any other time. Okay, yes. Yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Anybody having any doubts means please ask me. Anybody having any doubts? Okay, na? Our fellow is telling only, where is Murli sir? MVM Srinivas sir is teaching us. You know, my name is MVM Srinivas only, Murli sir only. MVM Srinivas @gmail.com. Murli Venkata Madana Srinivas @gmail.com. Okay, yeah. No, okay, Swapnali, okay, you are asking what? Murli sir, performance tuning course we are learning. Okay, no. So now we are not dealing with any performance tuning. Performance tuning concepts we are telling, but this is not that course. Okay, yeah. Okay, na? Very good. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Okay, na? Maybe tomorrow classes are started. Otherwise, last demo class. Okay, that is better. Class notes also I will give you, and they are giving a PDF, again recorded sessions, anything, all the things. Recorded videos also. Okay, so now these record videos also they are giving. Okay, yeah. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you. Okay, tomorrow maybe last demo. Okay, otherwise class will start. Tomorrow will continue. Thank you. Thank you so much for attending these small classes only. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you. These are not a regular classes, just demos. Okay, yeah. Or some concepts, just awareness purpose. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you. The morning also there, okay, but 7 o'clock PL school is going on in advanced course triggers only. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is there. Afternoon 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those many batches. So many batches I'm telling. Okay, but course completion is more than 3 months. Okay, yeah. More than 3. Parallel you're attending also. Okay, now tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you. Okay, course duration is more than 3 months. Okay, yeah. Because so much of syllabus is there now. Yeah. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you.